Okay, let's have a look at a few more examples. So we'll try B. So remember, the first step that we make is to substitute a number into the equation in order to make it equal 0. So we'll try, in this case, if I substitute, I know if I substitute 1 into this, it will not give me 0 because everything's positive here. So I'll try -1 to start with. And so this might give me 0. Let's have a look. So -1 cubed is -1. -1 squared is a +1, which is -11. So 7 plus 5 is 12, and -1 minus 11 is -12, it gives me 0. So I know my first factor is going to be x plus 1. It must be the opposite to what I have substituted into there. And so we will divide this into the equation. So again, I ask, okay, what do I multiply the x by to get x cubed? X squared. So x squared times x is x cubed, and x squared. So x squared times 1 would be x squared. I change the signs. Negative, negative. These two cancel, and I'll get 6x squared. Okay, what do I multiply the x by to get 6x squared? I have to multiply by 6x. Remember, I have to bring down the next term as well. So 6x times x is 6x squared, and 6x times 1 is 6x. Change the signs. (5x). Bring down the last term, which is 5. Right, so I need to multiply to get 5x by 5. 5 times x is 5x. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 1 is 5. Change the signs. Cancel, cancel, 0, 0. So my equation looks like this now. So I can factorize this quadratic. What two numbers when multiplied give me 5, when added give me 6. It's going to be 1 and 5. Right, now I can draw my graph. See, we have here x plus 1, so it's x plus 1 squared, meaning the graph will touch at -1, will not cross because this part is squared. So -1, my graph will just touch there, and at -5. So again, where does it cross the y-axis? Remember, it's the last term, it will cross at 5. Put that here, 5. So this is my graph coming from above, it touches the x-axis at -1 and must turn and go through -5. Now again, we don't know whereabouts this turning point is. We'll have to work it out, and we can check this on the calculator. No, you're not expected to work out where the turning point is when you're working out the graph or the factors manually here. But you can use your graphics calculator. I'll show you whereabouts it is, just to check that it looks the same on the graphics calculator or similar. Right. Our graph is x cubed plus, we say 7x, 7x squared plus 11x plus 5, and we can zoom standard to draw a graph. Right, we can work out where this, and you can see this is similar to what we have here. And if you wanted to work out where the turning point is where the maximum occurs. So we can go second, calculate. Right. Any graphics calculator will tell you whereabouts. You can work it out from that. Right. So we want to go and we'll work out the maximum value. So now calculate maximum value will occur at -3.67. Right, where what x equals -3.67 and y is 9.48. Right, so y should be 9.48. So this graph would have to go a bit higher. Up to there, about 9.48, and it will turn at, we said, -3.67. That's it, and we'll have a look at a few more examples.